Welcome to the Random Car channel. Today we're going to be changing the air filter in a 2016 Mercedes Benz GLA45. So the maintenance schedule for the GLA45 air filter is indicated for every 10,000 miles. So basically every oil change you gotta change the air filter for the GLA45. This also applies to the CLA45, which is, I think it's basically the same car, just a different car. Okay, so let's get this started. First, easy part, open the hood. Okay, so the air box is located right here. And it's pretty simple. Okay, so there are four T26 screws that you gotta remove here. 1, 2, 3, 4 at each corner. And here's my bit. I'm gonna remove it. Okay, so here's the air filter. As you can see, mine is clean. I actually just changed it. Okay, so to remove it, turn it counterclockwise, pull it out. As you can see, my filter is really clean, so I actually just changed it. Just doing this video to show you. So next I'll just put this back in. Okay. So putting back in is easy, just do reverse. So that was the air filter change for a GLA45. Pretty easy job. You just need that Torx tool and you're able to change it within a few minutes. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and put any questions in the comment section below. Good luck on your next project.